How can I remove parchment paper that is stuck on a surface?
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to tackle a common kitchen dilemma: how to remove parchment paper that's stuck to a surface. Whether it's your baked goods or your kitchen countertops, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
What will you need?
For this process, you'll need just a few household items: a clean cloth or sponge, warm water, mild dish soap, if necessary. Remember, it's essential to be gentle during this process to avoid any damage to your baked goods or surfaces.
How to remove parchment paper from baked goods.
Now let's get down to the steps. 1. Let it cool. Allow the baked goods to completely cool down before trying to remove the parchment paper. When warm, the paper tends to stick more. 2. Peel it gently. Begin to gently peel off the paper. Remember, patience is key. Pull slowly and consistently to avoid tearing the paper or damaging the baked item. 3. Use a knife. If the paper is still not coming off, you can use a blunt knife or a spatula. Gently slide it under the stuck paper and slowly move it around to loosen the paper.
What if the parchment paper is stuck to a surface?
If your parchment paper is stuck to a surface like a countertop or a tray, don't worry. Follow these steps. 1. Dampen the cloth. Wet your cloth or sponge with warm water. 2. Apply to the area. Lay the damp cloth over the parchment paper. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help to loosen the paper. 3. Scrub gently. After waiting, gently rub the parchment paper with the cloth. It should start to come off. If not, apply some mild dish soap to your cloth and continue to gently scrub. 4. Wipe clean. Once the paper is off, wipe the area clean. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to remove parchment paper stuck on surfaces or your beloved baked goods. Remember, the key is to be patient and gentle throughout the process. We hope this guide has been helpful, and happy baking!